Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Thanks. As I look outside, I see the pouring rain and feel the thrill of an adventurous spirit beckoning me. Living just outside of Seattle, rain doesn't dampen my excitement. Instead, it fuels my sense of adventure. I welcome this downpour as an opportunity to slow down and savor the moment. Instead of tackling the 3 hikes I had planned, I've decided to venture into a nearby town to explore everything it has to offer, and then take on just one of the trails. Today, I'm going to channel my inner plant and relish in the soothing embrace of the rain.
The October rain, the window pane is falling slow. And the joy that once held all my love is now below. And the dreams I dreamt on a brighter day don't shine like they used to. 'Cause the winter came, blew my fears away, but I still need you. And I think about the future, and I get anxious of all the things that I can't be sure of, that I can't control it. Every little thing between. If I lost you, I'd lose everything. In the city streets, there are those I meet on a journey. To be someone, to be spoken of, wrote down in history. But when the striving takes your soul away, and all security, I would dare to say that there's a better way to chase your dream. 'Cause I think about the future, and I get anxious of all the things that I can't be sure of, and I can't control it. Every little thing between. If I lost you, I'd lose everything. As we think about the future, we get anxious of all these things we can't be sure of. No one can control it. All these stupid things between. Don't lose yourself in everything.
I just did the most fun hike. It was raining so bad and so windy, and I'm soaked head to toe, and it was slippery on the way down, and the leaves were blowing off all the trees, and the wind was kicking up like crazy. The view was fogged out for the most part, but it was still beautiful. Saw some slugs, saw some mushrooms. My glasses are foggy. Yeah, bring it on. That was awesome. Woo! Now that I've thoroughly enjoyed the rain, I'm very much looking forward to getting back to my cabin. Hold on. Turkeys. Anyway, I'm looking forward to getting back to my cabin, getting dry, and cozying up to a book as the rain patters on the roof. I hope you enjoyed the rain as much as I did today. You have a good one.